the little inwe ị ga na plan ya ka ịma na ọ ga multiply ka ịma na ị ga-enwe a source of income. I'm tired of opening my legs. I'm tired of being a hookupion. I'm tired of going with my friends. But I left. Because you are not contented. Your challenges may make you overwhelmed, but you don't know that problem not the finish. Problem not the finish. The more money you have today, the more problem you have, because you will start to do investment. Once you start to do investment, all your money will start to enter there. And without discipline, a lot of people today, they cannot finish it. You started a house, you cannot finish it. You bought a car, but you cannot finish a house. You cannot furnish a house. Who are you doing so many things for? Who are you pleasing? Please. Once you begin to have money, you will know that you have cousins. Cousins will call you unapologetically and tell you, brother, I need something. Don't tell me story. I'm in a project. People will call you and lament. Your aunties will call you. If you don't have it today, nobody will call you. Always remember yourself when you are not blessed and when you are blessed. Putting yourself in that position will make you understand. How do I deal with this? If you are not contented, no why. I remember a time when Pempe 18 good years. Where I say, okay, no, I don't want to go. I save these things for my book. I'll just save it for my book. Yes. Be contented. As him talk now, and the money. Okay, let me just come brief, come boy around. When the 18 years on a page, yes. When the 18 years, like so many of you, you are 18 years, you are in your 20s, you are 30s, but you passed through this. I needed more money so much. Any dimego from my sister, who is doing well then. The first time, yes. And the last time, Bish is talking to you from experience. I will yes. 18 years. Too much ambitious. Too much. Go. I want to become money. Go. Move. I followed some bad friends. I will get place. Go and get the beer. Batadia. And as a child of God, more much of your man and we power and understand. The one where some KM Bialan and we doubt where Batavana be a KM Bialan man. We say yes, true, and we doubt Manatom, Kinyam something, can king and honor, continue on, can Jenatazian one them wine. The people also, they know my intention. Haslam, no, don't do this. Because them themselves, yeah, we behind a gabu frequently. Ask yourself. These people tomato with more than 10 years. As for that time, what if these people have used me? Am I the reason Haji Jeleba? Yeah, but they are matana home. I was going there in the middle of the night. On whereby Lute Moto Kose, I have a zero cross or wage lock awega. I got it for like 1 hour. Where but I know food, but I told him mafia. Unatani, this village, the very typical village. I don't understand. Pole electric, the one. Aja white, na kukumilika eba na wagede. We enter. Why but idea? The man was him now without kidi. First of all, now was him now without kogusim na power and say okay. Ni me munje okay, I make am gushim. There is power everywhere. Ekwensu power. But onya wobukawa. Yes. Nsi ananchili ya owesimo okay. Na nge meligi yo weto shiti tinye non wota alligator pepper tinye non mebe busiana na me yo me mechiche yo me woli etimti non mu kwoye ncho Osim no megolum datin o wote pantie nkwa aka di apue. Osim kusie onye ugwo before bidi os na mmechel no mechel mi ya na confirm o na mma apue ugwo. Na mma agba ọtọ os na nga agba ọtọ dia. We say na mma agba ọtọ. Onye agba na ị ga-agba ọtọ before emebeli gi e go my mind prepare for that. Guy mo as guy mo ala agba speed. Yes. O mechezie yo me sim kuzie onye ugwo. Mgbe chete na onye ji ego anyị ji wee bịabe we onye nke ọzọ ndị nke nọ n'ilo. O wesi m mba na mmala anata onye ọzọ ego wee kwụ onye ụgwọ. Na mma eji ego m na-akpa enwela ego nji 18 years old boy. Imekta me movie, imekta ko iwe na movie, imekta me skit o yala aga abịa. Imekta wee ji iwe story nkwu wee mee movie o yala aga abịa. Don't try me. Onye try am here. Yes. Watakwa the setting muna haso. Watakwa nde muna haso wega. Watakwa na enwe kwenye short down. Mgbe yasi ke eme this movement. Hapulu ugwo. That means people will facilitate you to your own destruction. To them, it is help ka hana help them. Hana ga for a different thing. Han wano zinilo. Nsizi edman na mejile ego. Na mejile ego ke iye meme ochim ihe obuna yi na alu mu wofte nyifte akwa because eyi mpolo n'ime yikwete shirt n'elu ochim nyifte shirt tu ochim mba na ozulo mu wetebe nchete na my friend na onwe nke yi polo na abo nsi oke ka nyifte kwa akwa ọzọ mpuzie n'ilo ka ochi ime ofu akwa nwe yifte akwa ochim mba nchetezie na yi bossas na odi na mpukwo n'ilo na ochim yes na igbago lọtọ. Realize myself. The man where some no yale melum ye ozo na nje wete di ego nluo use we ogwa amu na nwete di ego mo bia no need insama alu first before ala agbam nwe na nene kanje use we enye mu Jen follow YouTube. I want to no akụkọ je na YouTube na YouTube ka mma akọtọfọ akụkọ kwa ewulu unu akwa ewulu unu mụ na unu ya eme ibe be nyeni m gift ka nkọtọfọ akọ nyeni m money god nyeni m gift te ekwe nta mmegbu ekwe ọbụla isi ya te ekwe time je follow na my YouTube je na YouTube ka akọtọfọ unu akụkọ kunu oye or this is not a time mali me 18 mali me 21 years ago 20 years ago can a be unu and I say where is the wisdom coming from kedebo jai mba mother anala nokta anala wati ananya. You cannot, you must pass through a lot of things for you to be where you are today, but many people don't have the grace the grace to sustain during this time and all these things and still be here to tell you the story. Can they follow go na YouTube? Can they subscribe go? Can they subscribe go? Can they subscribe go? Can call you? Can you use even? Also, can they subscribe go na YouTube? Abone mala afa YouTube, afa YouTube mo Bishop Israel TV. Kambuk telunia une cheze akụkọ kwa iwulu unu ekwu na some of inspiration na apia most time nke na aga abia wu nke akụkọ je na video m na nke nkọlụ maka akụkọ ọnọzi na ọ na-achụ 200,000 nke nkwulu akụkọ nke ọ bụ na nkọlụ akụkọ ọ na-achụ akụ but people like experience, people like something they can see as experience. Bishop Israel TV. Yes, can book tell you to my YouTube. Nga finish the akụkọ na ki we water how far we have come and thereby nature. Why you need the change in na agwa makia? It's not because nancho. It is because na men we get experience drive him to this point, to this conclusion. The wisdom God dunyemu on a disturb on a problem. Everybody will testify, we attest that in Inwelia, then Kezi Ugwiji to God is to release it out there. A lot of people on a problem today. They don't know their left and right. As I'm talking to you now, people follow Near the page here, screenshot all this thing now. I had 130 something people. Screenshot all this thing now. Efulia, Bishop Israel TV. Obuni me go screenshot, let me know. Screenshot all this thing now. Or draw upside down, or the upside down. Keko is the upside down. Make it easier like this. Mbana. Bishop. Bishop Israel TV. Our subscribers are massive. We are heading to 20,000 followers here now on TikTok, but our subscribers are massive. And the same name I had in my bio. Go to my bio. You got on my front page now. You got fear. Yes. So when you move here, when I see can I say subscribe? Let me give people opportunity. For them to subscribe here. Subscribe here. We give people opportunity to subscribe here also. Our subscriptions are very, very low, but it will go up by God's grace. God gave up to when they got subscribe. This is a way to enable me and to motivate me in Yana. And when you see me here now, Mr. Kedi, welcome. Thank you so much. And when I was here, remember, I just believe in him. I will go cross war. I will allow a grant na the maternal place of one of those people. Mumbai Jibata Nima Ban. I will make it I may well and what the next day I move. Whenever the grandmother, even you kufte la new echo, even you in Amanamo. Why anala have chosen one on your kufte? Oh, name you don't know. Be careful where you go. Some of you people, God may save you by the grace. You shall not gain one name here. I went now. Mbanazi. Where will the thing where you put one name wire? Waiting in on. As him demands, mu make sure I'm fully go first. Mu make sure no nya go first before meditate. One ele shop. Mweje kulie. Owe na agu ego. Na agu ezigbo ego. Mweje ti dite non. Mwe tanya. We kwuo ibe ni na agwa amkwuo. Weje kulu nwanne nwa. Nyeme ka so with command the case we gwa me 18 years old boy. Nyem ka money now. Ane mwa na enem. Nyeme ka wo so 3 times. Case we gwa me na chesikwe ka ahande am di ego. Even na anu na ntemu wo. Mba. One where to draw more la oya wala tila kwa ge wala shugi sieba na bano na chozi mfugeba one ive agba mu me kamele elikwe munni that day elikwe munni that day ememi ive agba mu me. Yes. I won't hear subscribe. But my boy is comment section. I'm there when the chon day. The chon muamona. Can release your own. Can release the mother. Eata go kamale. Release go moon. The mother. Welcome to Lapa kiss him. Some of you chasing no na man aligego. I mean, I'm also one time also if the Korea made something like that. Actually, them as a young boy, 18 years, you now what are we telling you? What are we saying today? Yes. But I go see game way be idea. If gap again, if we map onye achịkwada m ga-eyefu akwa. Yes. Eyipu m akwa egosi m na ọ na-alụ ọlụ mana anazi mu mana ejezi m back ije back anyị agwa gị na onwe iyi mere na enwe something mere ya. Yeah. No. Eje mbedi be once in my life and that is all. Be careful where you go. Be careful the people who lead you. Be careful the circumstances make you be neje. Minus that circumstances, would you have gotten to this extreme? Oh, where's him na maka agwa na joke? And where's him after 20 years? All the cable last year can now go my sister that story for the first time. Ochetezi. Ochigidego, ochidade. All the first time only. Yes, I got me that story last year. Yes. Love. Another thing about love. Whenever you put out love to somebody and that love is not appreciated, it's an abuse. When you love somebody, the only thing that can make you to have discipline, and when no waga instilling discipline in you, nobody can make you to be disciplined when you go outside. Freedom gives you a less attention to attract discipline. In us also, in a situation, nobody is there, you can do anything you want to do. Because of Nina, every human being in a explore their freedom. Without love, even for your partner, you cannot instill that discipline. He made a mistake once. Stop lying down on your mistake. What are the teaching now? Love is the only power that can make you to consider discipline, which is only considered through empathy. Yes. I'm not going in a relationship. Can people win another key? I'm in a relationship of 3 good years. 3 years. I'm going on South Africa. 3 years. Or you want to knock on baby friends ya bia be mu host friends ya. Ndi obodo unu maka ndi obodo chi eme enwe ndi nke adi eyi ife n'ime oche cross because ebe nti kitchen di n'ime room ina-ati before cross ina-afu anola na-ese photo. I was summoning many of them. Obu na man dress off man n'ime ba na nga asige wa mpo mpo ye nwa dem umu oyi gi bia lebe na anwa mo onwa atom nyefa ni no so because once identity that everything in Emayasa. Oblo na ma like lomo ya nwa oblo na famolo mma oblo na ma nsutelu oblo na ma mmenwu the cover up, but the love the too much that it will instill discipline. Empathy was in process. No, I couldn't do it. Love him will obey your partner no. Ki eji we fu free anything nilo any type of temptation it's shock or end. Obulo na that na adoro very enticing. The girls can even be more beautiful than your girl, but the beauty it go neighbor your girl no. Baby, you are the most beautiful girl in the world. As a girl, the same thing applies to you. That thing your man may make overwhelmed. This man love me. I will not hurt. I cannot hurt him. If we give him a vacation, in no service, in no use service, couple when you na abado give the hottest girl ever find yourself. Everybody cheap go. But it's you no. The love this man. He can weigh conscience. Find you a man with conscience. Find you a girl with conscience. Allah about everybody. How does conscience connect with this thing? A man with love, with that conscience, I can believe will not in love with you. Conscience will remind you about discipline. Discipline. Yega puta discipline. The empathy. Hey, enwekwemike pioko duto na ntroso so nwunye ma troso rumonya. That first emane onye palo ya first opialo oku first day opialo ogba nilo. Onye yezuoli today, aya gbuye today. First day yezuoli ka aya gbagbuye. First day yezuoli ko ye jenga. Onye ya pioko today, tata opialo oku ko ye jenga. Tata opialo oku ko ye enwe problem. Tata opialo oku ka aya acha na ogugba mmade. Tata opialo oku ko ye bulu mmenu. Call a blue herpes, call a blue hepatitis B. Call a blue ya nke na atali okpukpu enwebe the definition. People age go here now in America, all over the world. Actually, Pavia. And many reasons yes, that your beauty is no more a commodity. People patronizing in make it whatever your beauty be a commodity is an asset. No, until you understand that your beauty is not a commodity, you will succeed in this life. Thank you for the gift. As a man, ibu odogu gebuka ina asati satale kwuru na miro ina enenie odigi ka obulo one person. Igwa nwa ina agwa nwa okwu isi e makwa iwe pa. You can go that movement and will never come back. Imekta in that journey butoya in ibupto odogu gi hate yeri odogu ga ka I ga condemn otele nwolo. Most people mbano n'ime ana-eje ana akwụ na line eje ana logwo. I see most guys abia na ebu ụzọ efu men na ebu nnekwu ụzọ men na akpụ ụzọ mana ha bucha oya dị da odi ede n'ilu. With all due respect for ndị niile bụ oya na follow me, no, I'm making a case study from Yaneme. Yes. Anyway, why you need to preserve yourself? Odoguga bulu ibu baba can still bring your downfall. Ika winwe, ala winwe in our front as a commodity can still be your downfall. Oya ne maputeba pia ebulugi jebeli chanoge. Your own is gone. If the news na newspaper na TikTok mwana ekwo make hey, God forbid, but he make it go the worst movement kalili nke onya ume mana onwe la ajochi. Yes. You can only say for yourself. Onye na akpọ gị mwana intention o ji abịakwute gị. As a guy. Imana enwe iwe a na-atụ no, imabula enwe iwe a na-atụ na nni nwa. Atụ anya nye gị na nni nwa, emi anya ịlalụ ụla eticha gị na hotel mwa. Ama mụ na ụmụ nwaanyị baa no street mwale this thing. Imana enwe iwe a na-atụsa na nni nwa as nwoke ebo. Ifu nni nwa nwaanyị ọ na-acha gbọlọgbọlọ ọtụsị ya emi anya bịa ịlalụ ụla. Ị alalụ ụla 3 days ma ntete. Eji apa property ndị mmadụ. Awa nwaazị bata begi mgba atụsị ya imechala anya idine na alalụ ụla. A ga-abịa begi pa property gị niile lodo na moto pụọ itete ifu onwe gị. You have to be very, very careful. Untold stories. Many people ama ngwa gị. Ina asefele atụsali gị na lole. Emi anya emechala anya ịlalụla 3 days ka ya alalụdola ọmụgwa gị. Isi obodo Igbo anya ga na-eke. Many of you will not come out and kwuo even make in a hotel mgbe nọ Lagos. Yes. You have to be very, very careful. You need to be very, very careful. Because many things are not make from body contact. Heat are the gena, no make equalanos, but from the body, from your skin pores or pass go. If you say okay. I lost so many people. And we friend but you only any moon or do to yobu, but you only any moon or blue skeleton ni moon. Nobody knows obus or quogo no 2 months ahead. 2 months ahead, on only moon or dry, she dry, because on a penthouse. The first chairman when we on our street, onye pick him just from the action na eme sim nwanne na iman lazy na iyi na ele na iman lazy ya ele na bia kino so ma will pay you na so the guy oya na akwo alim na akwo mo every blessed day ke ye mechezi men e girl ọ na-enye m ego na-eje enye na ele mmanya wiye bili oya mgbe o butele oya ahụ ọ malọ ọ na-elikwa olingo. Check yourself jene na onwe gị ọka mma na ịma na ibu oya na-take medication than na mala na ibu oya oya nwe gbuo gị. Only point you can never correct it again. Now check the health conscious. So many of you people are there check your moon. Oh come on, no treat you no take medication or the call the person or the call the golo. You will now meet people or bullet death sentence for so many people. Many people bear, yes. But your inability to always preserve your consciousness of your health. This guy, mboji tough time nke ikpele joint ikpele agbajiwe ga joint ikpele ona ze bi nwoto my guy sim bi sha na skwe maybe nwoto odogwu onye ji ego onye nwe boy many boy mbia mbakwani ya na yes. Simbish na nwe skwa ngotezi eli nni ona za eli nni na-enye nni di mkpa mmade onu agbato agbakupia anya puta n'ime nti ba n'ime obi fute ngugu niile maputa ndi ba gbali oso ibe niile ọ na-enye business na street ibe niile na agbaki ya ibe niile ọ na-ewetele business ibe niile na-elechi business na street everybody gbali oso anom na akuku ya before o till onwo anom na kopia owe I will never forget akwa obelum osim no dogwu anakwa onye isi ka mbuje go n'ogwu onye isi ka aye m osim mba enwezi onne mugwa ndị banye si bu n'ozu mugwa ndị banye si bu n'ozu ọ chọrọ ka enyi ya n'obodo. Yes. You need to be very, very careful. It's in a as a fine girl, you know, prepare yourself. As a fine guy, you know, prepare yourself. Save your value, when integrity. Or every girl, got aside the go census. Gone are those days when we cannot instill discipline. I am the excuse aka. Madi chinyeli kaka, but onyo madi chokinyeli aka onyo abuni chinyeli aka eche epioko. Mala na high libido di iche na being addicted, mbo a sex freak and high libido, all two different things. And when a platform soon naga kiwe energize ya abia na apioko yes. Onwelo na agwagi the sad side. A lot of untold stories in the niyane me. Imana nwoke na di lose. You can admire something without going down there. That is the the highest. Now this girl wow. Yes, I admire girl. I'm a mom I admire. Why not? Yes. Hey, hey, yes. But it will take you your energy. It will take you a lot of things and say, what is the end game? Get your end game. No wonder you today, don't let your account to reflect, influence your mindset, the way you make your judgment. Madi meet Ginezi, then Destiny Helper 1. He will give with all due respect. Somebody meet Igi because not Pamoto. He then Destiny Helper. Some of you people are there just story. He there do question. The only thing he will as a beauty. That is he incapacitated to even throw up a question game okay kono ale ko ga ke na alu. How long could you na eme? Ke for your future the next 5 years. You are scared the monkey ga walk go away. That is why the norms I push in our society today have made it gear now today that you cannot even ask question. A guy to wear no one no bodo ibo. Na no ye buy bata buy na Nigeria. Mmekwe go another girl. Onye buy ke na no. Onye Imo State ko na no bodo ibo. Na takwa bia no onye Anambra. But the girl onye Anambra e don't ask question. Yes. If you don't have a senior brother, marry this page. Open if the only daughter marry this page. Marry this page. And where's Umuma? Yes, some of you don't know. And when's friends married this page? Kuzie ishi kuzie na page. Can why a man succeed? Every laugh need to be analyzed. Every good gesture need to be analyzed and also be appreciated. Every good gesture. Then limit how many good gestures now. It is open to 7 people. 7 people to get good gestures, and those 7 people is expecting of you to return that favor. That means that 7 people in a mepeli hopper without you knowing. But when you dress up, people don't know. After a guy kind of wine on a China, a girl, nanya date for 2 good years. And not to make betting. Never you do betting with a guy in issue money issue igwaya. Emene betting. E we ba betting ni mu no ano just na me. We say na mga abodo the biggest boy I were then. Or the guy meche by me. We say na ga abodo this girl. No igwaya gada. The guy, we are just young, but I told those guys now. I told her with 2 years. We say no young man Amanda. The guy went on ilu. Don't interfere, don't tell. The guy name me the test. Whoop the poor no talk just come and have faith for this girl. The guy there, hello, how are you? Fine girl. The girl blues or jenene page here. Obona the guy gold kale. Onya julola yonu ine. Akani ne gold even in ya. Woke JSB go. Send your account number. Onya with the second sentence in the introduction. Hello, fine girl, how are you? The girl there, I'm fine. Or I said, send the account number, the girl chia. Or say, I just send it, the girl will send the account number. Or buy 300,000. 2015. The girl received 300,000. Only young working every month, like 150,000. Malumbana agwage, ya umbe no street. The girl waka. After 3 days, I told the girl who do not phone the guy. Onya na cheno na December, iya na eme na August. E girl na cheno, ke yo ba betting ni share. I told the girl who do not phone onye gba 300,000. The guy gbabazi eli ego, gbabali at 200. Apart to onye obuna waka osota ni mu no. The guy double up a bottle. Ashiamba, how can you do this? Alabaya. Okolo off the friendship. The other guy, the guy na banye said it mete lad pia the girl oko. You people, only many people. Remember, is for you to navigate. If you navigate, it add their value to yourself. You are not the only girl. Statistics na kawa no mwanya kalulu mwoke na population mwa and do mwoke mwe tendency mbanime obokwa no mwanya anolo nime. But I can with 70% of population no mwoke no inside compared to mwanya. That means na ge mwa billions of you the same like you alike. You have to be very, very careful. Ibule guy never attempt na wanyo obuni in a date because he mwale balolo. Attempt niya always go that thing. The exposure of everything in na be eba happy oge kege nwamalo. Yes, e mwali ye na abia ligechi mwala how real ode. People can play you a game and set you up. You don't know. The uniqueness of your making is how special it is. Or easy to attain that height. Or easy. The highest miracle game in your life is for you to be able to change. You can lose a lot of friends. Hook up does not define you. You can still become somebody and then hook up in the future. You can settle down, they happen in your marriage. Because open change the no go do today can up on marriage na me hook up. Onya bu ebe nne, onya bu akwa nne ebe, onya bu mkpu nneti. Abanya agba aka ge nwa nwoke abanya agba aka owu ni mejube today. Ipakwa that girl you na bela akwa na DM. Enukwa the girl today ga anu ya nuchuo ya nuchuo. E man na bata no from month to month e man na bata no. We have to be careful. Everybody have a blame to take. You need to take responsibility. Ebidom this message with take responsibility. Ebidomia with responsibility. How can you take that responsibility? I jot him everything in there down. Even though my inspiration I need lo jotting. Man, to make that message for you to find yourself. Kebi kwesino ni yaneme. Ngano other page, I will deal with whatever topic it did. I will still instill my wisdom. Get past what the knowledge there. But about 101, a big away, Ibulia wepo. I know everything, but anyway, the knowledge, everything was alive. Nikwele that guy, but that guy immediately that's your monetary level. But if you see other potential about that guy, he walk be a guy out. Okay, let's talk, let's see. If good come say how brushed is he? How intelligent is this guy? Giving to this guy tomorrow, is he going to be a very good guy? And I'm skeptical about the loyalty of a man in Tobago, but it doesn't say that every man in Tobago no way wrong intention, no. And when they want to be how they still remain who they are. I can do one of number 3. Be real, be who you are. You will go tomorrow, that money will not change you. The same you that don't have money is the same you when you have money. How many people can stay real? I give God glory for the gift of wisdom. Yes. It's not by power, not by might. Yes. Can I build your life in a way in a whoop? Emily in a whoop. When I add some things in deposit, Emily in a whoop, Emily conscience, a broken and contrite heart. The Lord did not forget. And God every single thing in him for the past 5 years. God because I'm not right. I don't righteous because. And make Catalana normalize a wayward life for you. And I go etigo no charge. Ekuvumi eba njiwe jebe my guy mgbe nsi na echim China we bata na house at the 3 men 2 rooms na palo ka no a girl gwala oto shi na room fita generation indomie she change indomie pafta Sky Zone, thank you so much darling, thank you. A girl gwala oto ba na room she change indomie na by yours America or Nigeria or South Africa yours when I buy I went culture like I was shaking. I was surprised. I was put off like I could not comprehend. I said, na mama is going to go no na bish na ye blue di way. The girl one out of yourself one knee. I was shocked. After 3 months, that girl for dear now no a guy what a shame. She got the guy. I cannot tell because I have so many people secret in my girl. The girl not had you on about today. Major I cannot. The girl from Budilunana in Kenayana dear Bamoto for yes. Ono ni bi ana say beast na na mata the girl na emeli maka na what a word. Onwe yebasam I don't care. Chukume o change won happen she can make it. But obu take na obu no na marriage. O bakwa na that life. E man the man we go problem. So many people now man inside marriage. You don't ask a girl what's up. I prefer somebody with good experience. I don't judge this girl by her part. I'm not judging this girl. She can become the best wife and the best man, the best woman. I don't judge her. But what if not drop this thing? The level of confidence of the, in fact, the level of how disgusting are they for a young girl, if this girl, if mama, if I follow this girl, just like a model, my is woman. Yes, 20 years old. We're the more proud na guy. Or we're no nyobuna no dia na ata the girl. Asim no enwe ko onye this girl. You have to be very, very careful. Ni mwele mwa today, ni mwele mpa, habuli ye define who you are. I mean, even a magistrate court, even a court of law, magistrate, Mr. Man, young man or young lady, there's no excuse to crime. If I find you guilty on this, I will give you this sentence. Double tap on everybody, double tap on. Double tap one. And I want 1 million, 1 egg, bisha, na 1 million, I want 1 million. Equal wisdom, you just put a baby. Oh, I'm going to put mo. Man, equal knowledge, you just put a pack. Some only no traveling bag. Oja pack is knowledge. Somebody bomb welcome no young. None the money the funny, eh? People the funny mamugi damu ya. Somebody bomb. No, you want no problem. O we just download video mu. All download e ben na ku yesu tu nyanwa. O je na etinye na status e. O so na the girl na view this. Guy man, with all due respect, I know here I'm just joking. No reference. Yes. Play a video me. It may affect your mind. Play it for your husband. A girl is now working. Dear Lafia ni moon. Able play video maybe na pia wangokazo. But Lafia ni moon for no. We have to face the reality. I'm a boom wires. I'm a boom wangokazo. We have to. The truth is truth. Dear Lafia bamuto for. So we have to balance it. So many people na gano wa. You want to guidance. You got for counseling. For counseling now, I'm going to study social worker. I'm going to study alcoholism and the drug or a counselor. Marriage counseling aka war. You got from naga school very soon. Will you get on and free because no office me bata mbueke na digazo either na fees marriage you that day or no for just eba nwe for e pali moto ye na wa onye nke aba moto ye na wa thank you for the gift imeli nwe na relationship na egbu onwe ka azu na bata na office na achi na onwa ke okwule na okwu ngwa gị utili nwe na achi no over. Thank you so much my brother. This vow go me a lot of I don't go me no. Basa relationship, chico relationship more than 10, basa more than 7. Yes. You must find your confidence. You must find your value. When you come to me, first of all, I will deal with your insecurity. Deal with your insecurity or insecurity. After we deal with your insecurity, then what's about yana or transparency? Yes, you have to be with that level of conviction. Trust is earned, it's not given. Babe, I want to see you. Where are you? It's not diggy. This man is calling me, doesn't trust me. Make him to trust you. A vital reason, a partner dear dictate, a partner no, but a level of insecurity, as a man, work on your insecurity. It's very, very confident. You can a phone because yes, it trust gear until for something that will trigger you not to trust that person, then you begin to ask questions. First of all, when you come to me, I will make you to find who you are. Some of you people, some of you women, receive good message, receive message okay. And how to know or easy. So the learning process never stop. You will never stop learning. It continues. It's a continuous process. It's never ending process for you. I am still learning. I go for my research. I'm man on X steady. Every time I'm on Twitter. Any word I'm going straight to ChatGPT. I'm gonna go steady. I'm gonna YouTube. I'm gonna make my research every single moment. Because in this life, don't be left behind. Try to be in the front row. In Apple wisdom now, we're not somebody who am not upper knowledge or no go Ghana must go. What a learning process be do from today. You go and get yes. What make me special? This person is talking down on me. This man always see me low, need low. You are a very specially kind person. Just beautifully made. And one part two, your fingerprint is different from every other person. And we go down here, no fingerprint can match your fingerprint all over the world. Hey, I don't know, I'm looking at dating. I got the value you get place. And when something in a lack, it place here, the opposite will be the case. A girl in a daily guy, I don't want this again. The guy asks me, I don't know what to do. When see a guy, now the girl they take, you go the front row. When see the last time he hear me, no go to shawarma. Now the second one, no go phone. When see this third one, moto ki go, and you will still never be appreciated. Yes. Tunde a block, kwa go onye na asim drop update. Onwe update also kalili even na drop. Ya block kwagi onye na asi update. We are dealing with general life stories, general things now concern me and you. We're talking about relationship. We're talking about everything that concerns our life, family, our health, our daily lives. Tunde do not, my moderator. Tunde do not wete your blog. On our blog, go here. I am learning every single day. We are on that learning process. Not only learning, your ability to impart what you have learned in your life is what makes you somebody the wise. People will respect your wisdom, but they don't respect you. That guy, I try to make it with that guy. Wisdom you had too much. It's good, but you don't understand. You become a threat to people. It's good. Don't feel yourself to put it low. The same story no so can do the same story. Your DM. The same thing. In our twegu. I don't know if I should give him my heart. I don't know. 5 in 1 year, he did to go 5 guys. All of them has sleep with you. How about goes or no? There's a spice you need to add to your soup. When sex is normalized, it become a kola nut or bolo a norm. Do something in which he made something, or you make it a matured girl. You are not obliged. You are not under duress. You are not under any type of pressure to open your leg. That is when you become matured. You are now accountable. You are now responsible for that moment. Money does not influence your decision making. Pressure, family, challenges, enwe course ngeme, enwe project ngakogwa, enwe ben kweshinje, need him this morning. This guy na bom can check good. That guy need them here since last month. Na kamala, the guy talk go. Na kamala. It can be your last journey. I will pick 3 people for question and answer. Because abonate or question and answer. I will answer 3 people question. Make sure you ga jo eba I be kwana ju ibe ye memka. Nje toye enwe part of my brain na lapu. Ime ka nje toye the thing. Imani ya akwu ugwo. Lapu can use go do celebellum. Can use celebellum when I ask a question. Onye obuna ye me ka mmepe oblankata medola. Ime ka mmepe nye ya akwu ugwo. The other question, and that question. Answer question. Send their request. 3 questions. Each person one question. Emekwene ka ajuna question ye eme ka mmepe my kan celebellum kan je ekwu okwu sense ya. Imekita me ka mmepe medulla. Wee na-aba wee je side kwụ aka n'ọnụ ụzọ ọbụla nkata ego mma charge. Kedavia send their request. Ke have the person. What is your name? Kedu onye chi ju question? Enwe somebody chi ju question now. Kedu onye chi ju question? Kedavia say I am the one. My name is okay, Diamond. Ka abogote Diamond. Diamond. I have kwage. Okay. Milima agugokwe. Guys, now double tap on and double ni follow them na YouTube. Meche iwe nwa munu ni eme. Muna unu yeti up and futraza. Hello, how are you?
Good afternoon. I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Kekime.
Arodekwa m gị nwakwan.
Ọ dị mma. Ka ebe isi anọnyela anyị.
Esi m Anigbo, Enugu State.
Okay. Yeah. Ka ebe ị nọ. Okay. Just go ahead with your question. Ka question iche ịjụ anyị.
Biko, my question bụ, I'm married with 2 kids.
Okay.
And prior to marriage, I was a law student. Na-agụ akwụkwọ. So, when by marriage, from one trouble to the other, ọdịcha ka ngago kana mama ngocha. At this point, ndị mụ na ha gụrụ akwụkwọ bụ ha called ha to bar. Meanwhile, I'm still struggling to take care of the family. As it stands, my husband and I are in Nigeria, so in my own means, in my own way, sorry, of supporting him, I've pended my own life and I'm carrying on the life of others now. Most times I see it now, I'm selfless, I'm sacrificing, but at the same time too, or the car, I'm no longer on that lane. I'm supposed to, or the car, I'm no longer fulfilling my purpose as an individual. Or the car, I'm busy life and those who do any room, happy most times when they child depressed. And overall, like, when it's not like I have friends, because along the line I started losing friends due to a lot of things in our Tanya. So on a mention, most times I don't want to use the word depressed. And also coupled with the fact that my husband and I are in Nigeria with 2 kids. Then Onye and Kemuniano being my sister, their whole life now matters to me. Like Ena and Okita, my children are the one telling me they want something. So it's more or less like I don't even have a time for myself anymore. I am now living the life of others, not for myself. I want to go back to school. I want to continue my life. I want to do something with my life. Though it's not easy, but I still don't, at this point, I'm not doing my purpose anymore. I don't even know if I still want to go back and study that course or take on another course. I'm not even passionate about anything again. I just wake up and live for the family and no longer myself. I wouldn't want to complain to my husband, I am being inconsiderate or I don't know his sacrifices. So most times I just break down. I don't want to talk about it. But I just said, let me talk about it today. Let me know if there are people going through what I am going through. Let me know if there is still hope. I'm still in my 20s anyway. And I'm feeling that I don't have time. Pardon?
How many years kid?
I'm 27. But I'll be turning 28 this month.
How long came on a marriage?
I'm dinner 2021.
How many years can you go?
Since 2021, that's 4 years now.
4 years.
2 children, 2 girls.
2 kids. Continue.
Okay. So I don't know if I should still continue on that lane or I should just leave it and go somewhere else and start up a new course for myself. At this point, I don't even know what my talents are. I don't even know what I want again. I'm just living the day. Otun Sefria. Amarazumi Chosen. I'm confused. Adam confused. Adam down. Adam. It's all the overwhelming for me. That's the word. I'm overwhelmed, and this is not how I envisioned it. Honestly, this isn't how I envisioned my life. This isn't how I thought things would go. I believed I was going to get married, and not just that. I know maybe na just sick and rush. I saw my husband. I fell in love with him, and when I got married to him, I was already close to my final year. How about I got my final year? So honestly, it's not easy. I don't know easy. Honestly.
Mutuonwe, thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Nononeka nga just mutuonwe gi. Guys, biko double tap on ya na double tap on. Biko obu na subscribe na page anyị na like ihe bishi na eme ebe a. Subscribe, I need 150 people here. I need like 5 persons. Each program I name, we can grow like that. But obu na idea subscribe, now double tap. I'm not seeing more people double tapping. Let's get more people double tapping. Let's go. Unmute yourself. First of all, case here. This case now. I will try to be very, very. You gotta go. Afwe na case ya na abuzi. Abuzi kwa iye na abuzi celeberum ka ye Georgia.
Yes, sir.
It's no more celeberum. Imegum na nga meje medulla.
Mama, leave them talking. Go and meet
Me use medulla. Medulla ya alu eba. Agwago mo brakata nya na warm up. Obrakata na warm up. Male use frontal lobe because male use frontal lobe. Ne because don't worry can. Akwe na achi kwa chichacha.
Yes, sir. Most times I'm happy, but mchetekwe.
Kita na-ekwu okwu enwekwu obele ọchị enwe.
Kind of, sir.
Okay, kind of. How long came on the page? Yeah?
I came across your page this week, and it was resonating with me. I was learning from your page. I've been learning from your page.
Okay. First of all, NOD as a young girl, audio okay. Move to yourself.
Okay, sir.
Move to yourself. Before just address this girl issue. First of all, try to have a discussion. When discussion, I said it here many times. When discussion, when discussion, then a lady na ime 15 good years. Niyo miti die no budo ibo for 3 good weeks. The lady, with all due respect, no reference to your name, is a case study for you to picture yourself ni on here. Die on a kwoku makia, omala na DG 5 children outside. DG 5 children outside. Meet another girl. Where did no problem with that person? Osiano akwukwo ko je nwete jide 5 children with onye na-enye akwukwo we je jide another child with another person. We no onye nke we lapia na Nigeria. Or when nke Nigeria ekwele ka omula nwa 15 good years. I saw chart from 2014 alabam. People are not like when it comes to this. First of all, you now make a give for the courage is someone. It's someone who courage. Where we go there bar. Iye nekwa bagogi no obala. Inenegidego this video. Wakago, who is this that is talking something that reflects on my story? It's God that have remembered you. Yes. Chukwuchetegi today, because most people cannot even summon the courage to come out and speak. I want to commend you first. All in the name of marriage. The starting point should be that most difficult discussion. Because inside it, I just want to talk to the people before we address this thing. The first discussion, love, I love you too. I'm a child, I have a future for you. My intention was this. Just know if your vision align. If it doesn't align, be very, very careful to concede. In this day and age, every priority is for everybody to settle down, not minding whatever the consequences will come. These are some of the consequences. But with all due respect, Diamond, I'm not here to chastise you. Abiala meba put to be down. I'm mega applaud because so many people not in this very shoe in on him, but they will never come out. They will never come out. They will never come out. The value that you place in you, in yourself, value you place in him, make you be any disturb. The value, where is my future? Or someone who has kanganeku. Is this what I've decided to do? How long can I do it? I've already done it for 4 years. My life is like I don't have a life anymore. Yeah, be a woman, many people, a woman on a marriage. Many people are facing depression today. You are facing, a lot of people are facing depression at the edge of suicide. I don't know if this is what I went for school to do at this moment. Yes, I spent many years to be in school. What type of a role model am I going to be to my children? Did I make a choice to become a housewife, or is my husband only the one that have determined my future for me? We have to be very, very careful. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
You don't want to discuss with your husband. Why don't you want to discuss with your? But first of all, Gina Digi, Mbuna Cheno, Unewe discussion about what are the future plans. What am I going to do? Am I going to have a house, become a housewife? What things, like, don't go into all the details, but I believe
Okay, sir.
a little bit, like, because
Actually, the thing is, my husband before money, agwamia, he have a sacrifice and making going on at this school. Please, I would want to finish up. Of which, Niru Chuku Niru Madu. I can only testify to the kind of man Onoro. My husband is not a bad man. Manamwem nozeya problem sinenu sinana dakwasia. So he couldn't really fund my education at that point. At a point, I became frustrated. Money was a problem, which led to domestic violence.
Cheli, $1 is very special for my mental health. Cambia. Now the tap one, you know this. Okay, oh yeah, continue.
Okay, so when I'm a dim name was a problem. No problem. At a point, in middle for my husband called Buzamusu Batar on my life, which already destroying my future. I knew that things were not going well at that point. But at the same time, I did go me my first child after our marriage.
Okay. First thing, a good man, equally, yeah.
Yes.
But
My husband
after things became hard.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the change continue where abusi about things getting hard.
No, the change actually, there was actually a change in Mehebido. There was Yemma.
Okay, can
So
you prevent Ziggy from having, like, can you prevent it from, taking care of, like, continue being happy, like, those
when
safety
I
I've
when I
discussed from the
when
beginning? Can you
Charlene
maybe?
is in school, I was already pregnant with my second child. So Amaronka Ndime problem as in ihe niile akpọchie. But when I got pregnant with my second child, I did not have any issues with my husband. We were managing our life. Wee sị okay, ebe ọ bụ na otu a ka Chineke si chọọ ya, let me continue with him na o nwere any problem. Ihe mmacha bụ na at the end of the day, ihe niile ka ga-adịkwa mma. So
Iwe
that my
were gị
second,
nne biko for one second. Na-adọbụ tapụ na-adọbụ tapụ enwere ndị na-adọbụ tapụ. Anyị ka nọ na 137 here. Anyị ka nọ na 137 na-adọbụ tapụ nọ ndị knowledge ịkpa akpaba akpolu a na-akpọta ị na-ekpu ị na-akpa ị na-ekpu imeli isi Lagos jebe Abuja with knowledge. Nne continue.
so my husband, when Dizime, my second child, I had to say, okay, fine, I'm abago, but I'm abago. There's no going back. Bidoma Nigeria with my husband. I stopped bringing up the issue of my education anymore. Kamaru, komaru, kona anyano. Ko happy enwunarim. Because I'm a kind of person, my mantra bụ ihe m enwero tata na m ga-enwe ya echi. I became a laughing stock among people, and which is what made me distance myself from a lot of people and even unfriended a lot of people. So, mechokwa, my husband, Chineke bịa mekwere ya amara. Bịa pikikwe up, I went back to school. But it was not consistent. Nigerian education, you need money involved, which is just the truth. And when you can't meet up, especially for an extra year student, water. So I just had to say, okay, let me relax. Ka Chineke just has 0 ọnọdụ my family. Then I will now pick up myself. Chineke emego na amara kita. My husband is no longer where he used to be. But I don't want to start telling him about those things because, achọgodu m ka o relax ya onwe ya first. And coupled with the fact na ọ nọ in a foreign land. So I'm just taking it one step at a time. And ihe nji na-ekwu ya bụ, for myself, most times it's as if I'm not doing the right thing. Most times it's as if I'm doing the right thing. Most times ọ dịkwa ka mistake. He has his own life.
Where choose onye.
No, or they can make mistake for not wanting for not wanting the best for myself. For not
Which
wanting
alternative? What is the best? Like equal, not the key mistake. That means an alternative would the opposite of your present circumstance.
My ENGC can make mistake, but I wish like obuno ehem mambo somuwo maka ozugbo.
Mambo so no
Sir?
Mambo so no dikon, mambo so muwo mu n'ime.
Mambo so muwo maazi ozugbo ka nwe ike go top go to school.
Okay.
So yeah, then onye na-asị go and learn work because
Enenanya comment Diamond enenanya comment say kam block kam mechie comment. Cheli.
Nke ilen akọlụ onwekwe mgbe m gwa my husband
Emechigo m comment.
Okay, nke ilen akọlụ enwe mgbe m gwa di m na achọrọ m ije moto otu esi akwa akwa. Ịmagonu nwoke na ife na-eme like this, ọ dịza ka onwerezi ihe iji akpọrọ. Adị m ime my second child, and ebe fugo na school agabere aga for the moment ka m mụwagodi ịkwa akwa. I had some money saved there that time. Ọ dịza ya ka ọ chọzi ịgbawaziri m odi, but I had to leave it. I didn't continue with it just for peace to reign. So it's not like onwebero. I still do business. I do online business too, but when I do drop shipping most times, but when you don't have enough capital to start up something for yourself, or the kid lazy, when you do lazy.
Okay, according to you, Diggy the corner struggle financially.
Yes, sir, but
Okay. Okay, Chalicha.
Chineke na ha eme amara.
Chukwu na-eme amala. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How long ka di gị na-abata? How often?
Ọ batakwara ebe ọ batara ọ nọ around ebe April.
This year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gịnị anọ is a very good man.
Yes. He's a very good man.
Okpokwe ga-alụ ọkụ.
No, aside that, my husband is a good man.
Okpokwe ga-alụ ọkụ.
Yes, Okpo marụ ọkụ.
Ndị mmadụ ana-akọ. Do you a good man? Oya gee ntị na. Nne gee ntị for ndị na-ege anyị ntị. It is a good point. Di gị ihe nche ịgwa gị na di gị ị na-amụ ụmụ ọ nara adịkala izi 4 years ka ị nọ na marriage iji ụmụ na.
Yes, sir.
Where this discussion as is then shy away from this discussion. The ways were forget it is very expressive. In a kowa gini ekwu many times. Onwego mgbe ijekwe ba na school. Onwego kwe mgbe ịchọ ka ụmụ ọlụ ọ dịzie gị ka na ọ na-agba gị odibo. Mba, gee ntị. Ihe ọbụla alapụrụ aka ga-eme ya. Achọ m ka ime mistake. The fulfillment ị na-achọ, God ga-emeche nye gị fulfillment.
Amen.
Another thing factors na-eme enhance this thing now bụ distant marriage. Distant marriage nka ga-emeche kọwa the challenges, the challenging line factors dị na distant marriage. Emutu gị na just ka anyị nwee clear audio. So ihe nchọ ka ime bụ na ị ga-enwe discussion, series of discussion. Marriage gị ka dị very early or ka dị young. Ị ga-enwe discussion with your man. You understand? Ị ga-enwe discussion. Unmute yourself. Achọm ka ị na-ege ntị ka mụ na anyị na-akala ihe asụ ụka. Ị na-ege ntị ihe na-agwa gị?
Yes, sir.
Ị ga-enwe discussion with all due respect. Ama m onye di gị bụ, amala m onye bụ. Ekwuchi okwu na I will take another question. I'm giving you advice as my sister.
Yes,
Ị ga-enwe discussion with that man. Ụmụazị ka dị early. Alone ka dị 27 years.
Yes.
Yes, you can still ị ka ga-make those plans inwe in line. Ọ bụ na ị bịala ebe a na wee sị m na di gị achọ law. You get it now? You hear me now? Yes. Ọ bụrụ na ị bịa ebe a sị m na this man actually anything ọ bụ na gbasara your education, gbasara ọrụ ị ga-alụ, gbasara nke na ọchị ịnụchu ga-anụchu ngwa gị nọ nnụchu. Now, ọ bụzikwe na ị na-achị achị jiri aka gị na-defend. Only you know. Ọ bụ ibe ịgwa m ka mma.
No.
Ịghọta? Yes. Then ọ bụrụ na eziokwu gị ka ị kwuru ebe a, I will tell you one thing. Chila, some of you people, I want to say it again, some of you people they believe you know the strong from the beginning. The journey of marriage is not easy. Gị na onye ahụ factor na-eme ga affect now. Ọ bụ na di gị now steady with you. Na-afịa gị aka n'isi mgbe ọbụla. Ka m gwa gị eziokwu, ịma mbịa ngodo ebe a online. Di gị ga-anọkwanụ with you be online. Ndị ka now na marriage. Enwe ndị diva abatabe 4 years. I'm not normalizing. You have already entered the next point. Ade asị mmadụ pụtawa. Because ka isi wee kwuo okwu na ọ na-adị gị ka ọ gị pụta ịlapụ ụmụazị mba 4 years of marriage. The man be open for your discussion. Or try go gini ana walk hand in hand. Iji aka gị esi na a good man. And gị nwazi na withdraw the obligation nwe such a discussion with him. Dizie open nwe the discussion. Nne nala agwagbu ya agwagbu. Nne nala punish diga punish. Nne onala agbali good do. You understand? Because the absence of this discussion now with digging now make you make mistake. Be very, very careful. The absence of this, egi now adụlọ gị enough. Egi eme business adụlọ gị enough. Ọ bụrụ na unu na-survive, na survive. Ọ bụrụ na nwoke enweta ego na ọ na-enweta ego, o wee sị mba, o nwere ihe ọ chọrọ ka ime, that is when it become a big problem. But in a change by the grace of God, don't where this discussion with him. Where this discussion, we are baby, please, even though I'm not with you, asina need imba, as give evidence of here no nimia. Asina need regret, no bu name one imwi, asina sometimes not the geka, is lo need regret, not the geka, no bu name wale, or ibone bidone mubangwa. Yeah, burden na bear for motherhood. Motherhood are easy. But in Nigeria, it's much easier. Nendi no budo ibe house help. And Nigeria, obo need the help for house help. What do you need the house help? What do you need or somebody? I need to tell me the inwe house help nenyelugaka. No budo ibo, you cannot afford it. Equal house help ogo just ego house help na bebe ekunwa wike kasala ligine hotel. There is a lot of things you have to consider. Then you talk about Kedebunu Gano di okay. Oboni yina find the emptiness in his absence. His absence may create a little emptiness. May trigger all these things. The absence of your husband we can now be a contributing factor to this thing. And when they are no without to do her for 1 week, for 1 month. But they will feel like they had a strong, they can do it. No more and also but hand a back every day na their pillow. So you need now when this discussion with your husband. In our what you go with your plans on our wakasialo.
Concerning my word, please.
Your plans, your education, your nature jemolo. Keko se ariat or
oda abakasikwaro.
Imego and Jevointe or Blancata. Imego Alafukamo since Nezi Ozioma here. Upon a medulla Kevin they use the sense. Or Kevin Celebellum.
No, Oda Abakasiaru, but I just feel like if I'm saying it, Odeka I'm not as if I'm trying to push him. I don't want to push him beyond his limits.
Marriage comes with responsibility. Children, I know na celebele me gonje call Blancata me pose or both the wizard. A check when a case. Ni wele case. Go and communicate. Okunu MQ na kanon na china marriage is all about communication. I hear with the communication than the marriage. Go and discuss with the man. You want to go discuss what? Obo no cholo good gi. Ikwu otilo kwa nwo short or gidan. Imit be narcissist. No obo na anu a narcissist. Igbafuo. Ebezi na akwu ina ebe. You want to go age gi obele or age gi ina emi si the man. April kemgbe na April, May, June, April. No, April Kokawa.
On the one easy like that. Just like I told you. I'm a room.
Manona abata steady.
Yes.
Ejim did this girl when they make a study. To mwoke by ne no bodo ibo. Eno wana banye. Case, thank you so much.
Thank you.
God will help you. I pray for you. Your marriage you are successful. Digiga okay, we humble spirit, we discussion with you. Will make progress in this thing. Don't regret having kids. Marriage is very, very good. Chukuge medigiga na okay put more value equal value equal or may invest in ebe he will be coming back to you. Why Alzheimer divert his attention?
Amen.
I pray for you. Amen. You are blessed.
Amen.
You want to go? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I want to be an office. Where you use your celebellum. Where you use your Blancata. I want to be an office. Where you use your Blancata. Till over yako. someone kwa aka esi niile ihe emebe before mmepe office na Abuja emekịta mepe office a na-emepe na Abuja ma na Lagos imekịta bịa dia imekịta bịa la na the office ibe ya akwụ dia 500,000 di onye ndị Igbo ọbụla nwoke ọbụla na-anụ nwaanyị na Nigeria ị na-ege destin nwoke m find the anya as a in fact as a duty ama m n'oge ụdị nwe ụlọ nwere onye agba ive na-eme na marriage find the anya as a duty try ya ka ị na-anaba anyị just all the possible 2 times mana ikwu onye people ya asị gị makwa ego na-eji ana ịmakwa ego na-eji ana inwekwe this discussion before you know that girl this girl the smart nya na die kalele ya ịpụrụ nwaanyị ọkwa ndị obodo oyibo ka unu chọọ onye ọbụla chọrọ onye n'obodo oyibo mana most of you people a na-anụ gị nwoke ọka abatala 4 years gị nwa ya eji aka gị na-edefend ya na side ya dọrọ mma na ọbatabe gị nwa na-ebekwa akwa na every night ikpudo pilo n'ilu uche unu dị ya ịbụrụ nwoke na ị na-anụ nwa try ya ka ị na-anakwu nwunye 2 times every year ibuzielu onye apafugo brain gị ijele obodo oyibo wee chezọ nwunye gị ọkụ ya agbaghị ebe ahụ ị nọ yala enweta onwe gị forever ọkakwa mma na ịgbasa ada marriage karịa njide mmadụ in the disguise of marriage ijidie n'ọlụ jebe anaba ejeje mma jos wụọ gị ọkụ na peji a ịnọrọ ebe ọbụla ịnọ traụza gị ọkụ a na-achaghị n'ike ibe niile anyị na-eme anyị mee iwe ị ajụ onwe gị ọwụlụ ya this girl dị blessed but this case this girl etrit ya bụla case study unu niile onye ọbụla chọrọ di n'obodo oyibo makwa akpa uti di n'obodo oyibo makwa ale na ndị na-anata ka ndị ya agwa ibe beside ma dọrọ mma 4 years side aka adịkwa mma 5 years adịkwa mma because ọ prioritize la nnata ọ prioritize la gị for anything mana ị ga na-afịa update ọ na-agba club n'obodo oyibo ị afịa update ọ na-ebu ndị ọcha ọ na-ala nwaanyị n'obodo oyibo ọ na-apịa ọkụ steady o nwere ụmụ ọyị nwaanyị n'obodo oyibo ịma nwa na oji n'obodo oyibo ebe a na peji aka ya awa bịa afọ ike ọkụkọ onye ọbụla agbasa ndị na-abụrụ enwe pepa blọk na-eji akaba blọkụ m onwe ndị na-abata na my DM chim na nna akasị update mma egbuwekwa update nke update ọbụla m nweta mbuse nkasị tọtọ ọnya yes thank you so much biko na-adọpụta apụ ọ bụrụ na join bụ ihe anyị na-eme na YouTube ị na-akpasu m iwe mana ị na gị nwa na-emezi onwe because most things mma na-epost ebe a maazị a na-epo ihe ọbụla m post ebe a ọ ga-adị different from ihe m post na YouTube ọ ga-adị different from ihe m post na F page ihe m na-epost ebe a and ijekwe na blue app na nke mark ọkwa the same page the same name aka m na-aza di ya the same name a na-aza ya Bishop Israel TV with my YouTube Diamond Chukwu agọzigoyi next question next onye ọzọ na-egbogo kedu onye ọzọ na-achọ iju question dee na comment section n'oge nwa na-achọ iju question this girl the bless die onye gbogote shi na die we good man njukwa anyị on the pretender make sure ọwụ na ị na-egbogote ebe make sure na mmakwa eyuzu ọbụla nkata wee lụọ ọlụ ya ọlụ achịmọlụ wee kwoli ya okwa na-akwa m alụ ụlọ ndị mmadụ ọlụ biko chukwu na hey ndị omenala ya abịakwa kpụrụ m na peji kedu onye ha ya aza question ala philosophy mba somi pearl